So sorry, di ako naka-vlog ngayon. Today, I'll tell you, it's my graduation day today. So, tapos na ang graduation event. Nagsimula ang event no 2 o mga around 2:40. Pumunta kami doon sa Villar Hall. Malapit sa Sukat. Hindi dito BF2. SM BF Sukat ba yun? Yung SM Sukat na papunta na sa Las Piñas sa Sipag. See my nails there. It's hiding. This one is just now. That hospital sticker. Sorry. At ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking diploma na gusto ko ako umiyak ngayon. Sorry, hindi ako nag-vlog sa campus. Show you. Water break. Diploma ko. Naalala niyo ano naman diploma ko? My name from an arbor. So, ito ang makeup ko. Hindi pantay yun. Graduation picture. Oh, naalala mo, ano yun? Na, naaalala mo pa na nagkaroon ako ng graduation pictorial noong 2023 pa yun. 2024? 2024 pa ito. 2024. Mga, sorry. March yata. Ang sunod ng pictorial. March. Still short hair. First time is not perfect. You'll like to start it perfect. Class of 2024. Ouch. Sahig ko to kasi alam mo pa rin hindi kayo makakaintindi ng Tagalog. Our Montessori lesson. Pagawaran ng edukasyon ng pamitanang Pilipinas. Pinatutunan nito na si Rihanna Jude Reyes ay sayang nakatupad sa mga kinakailangan sa pagtatapos ng senior high school has satisfactorily with the requirements of graduation, senior high school, academic track, technical, vocational, livelihood, information and communication technology, computer systems servicing na itinakda para sa mataas na paaralan kagawaran ng edukasyon kaya pinagkalooban siya nito. This secondary school Department of Education is on this katulayaan diploma. See, we did it. Tagalog to me. Thank you so much. May maganda yung process ko kasi. Guys, naiwan ko siya ako eh. Ano ba, hindi ako nag-vlog basta di ako okay. Alam naman ako, di okay. Lang okay. So, gusto ko magpasalamat. Ayun, tapos ako ngayon is senior high kahit I am facing, even though I'm facing a very hard for college this year, I still don't know what to do. Just want to, I just want to say thank you to all my teachers and staff. Sorry, kagulos ko pa ako rin. And just want to thank to her that he never let me quit. God wants me to keep going. Hey, I don't ever lose hope. I'm still here with you. I'm trying to help you so that you can reach your limit and help your families or whatever you want to do next. Don't worry, I will never leave you alone. Just, yeah, I think this is really motivating. Why ako natatouch? Super natatouch. Because without my, without my hard work, that I just keep going study. Huwag mo na isipin yung crush kasi yung crush mo doon. Kakaisipin. So, tuloy lang, forget. I-move on mo na yung crush mo yan kasi talagang hindi worth it sa'yo. Kung hindi siya very worth it sa'yo, kaya huwag ka na maging worth it sa kanya babalik. That's it. So, yeah. Thank God. But I thank you for all my subscribers. Just keep going on. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that notification bell ring so you'll never miss out my video. And I promise to upload any videos. I will check out Brian. So this is how today, guys. And before I leave, I want to tell you that I really want to ask you that what is your experience in college? Have you been through there? Cause me, I don't actually know. I really want to see with through college too before after you decide to work for your job, like being a vlogger. Before you become a vlogger, are you available? Right, and actually take from senior high to college. What is your job? Like during weekdays, sorry, during weekdays. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I just wanna ask you like that. It's amazing. And now I will try to find a way to believe myself and have a hope and faith that I will never ever break my promise from my parents, that I will just keep going and moving and I will never stop, quit or give up, because I know this is not only for their wishes but it's only for my wishes too. And I promise to you guys that you will always trust me to help me to get rid of my nervousness, my my terrified, my weakness about how I feel negative always gets exhausted, depressions, really get scared right now, even though I'm not yet going to college, I'm still scared. Because I don't know what is your experience. I want to know about your experience in college with me. I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit ready, but I'm not quite sure, super duper ready. So that's how my question right now. So let's keep our dreams, keep going, fly, keep your dreams reach up high. So yeah, that's for today, guys. I'm really, really sorry I didn't take minutes with you, but I promise I have free times. Bye.